Namaste, viewers. It's Thursday morning, February 6, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Indian markets closed lower on February 5, dragged down by losses in consumer stocks amid weak earnings. Investor sentiment remained cautious ahead of Reserve Bank of India's key bi-monthly policy announcement scheduled for February 7. The Indian rupee hit a fresh low of 87.5 against the dollar as expectations of a rate cut intensified ahead of RBI's interest rate decision later this week on Friday. Benchmark equity indices, BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 ended Wednesday's choppy session in negative territory. The Sensex declined 0.4%, shedding 312 points to close at 78,271, while the Nifty settled 0.18% lower, losing 43 points to end at 23,696. 25 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged down by Asian Paints, Titan Company, Nestle India, Britannia Industries, and Tata Consumer. Conversely, ONGC, Hindalco, Apollo Hospitals, and BPCL were among the stocks that ended high. Broader markets outperformed the benchmarks, with small cap shares leading the charge as the Nifty Small Cap 100 index ended higher by 1.85%. The Nifty Mid Cap 100 index settled with gains of 0.68%. Sectoral indices on the NSE also settled in the green, barring Nifty FMCG, Realty, Auto, and Consumer Durable indices, which ended lower by up to 1.85%. Among others, Nifty PSU Bank, Metal OMCs, and media indices ended higher by over 1% each. In individual stocks, shares of Ford Motors surged 6% following the release of its January sales data, signaling a strong performance in the commercial and utility vehicle segments. Shares of Mahanagar Telephone Nigam (MTNL) jumped nearly 18% as optimism around its asset monetization plans for FY26 fueled a sharp rally. The rally reaffirmed the government's commitment to helping MTNL and BSNL monetize their assets to unlock value, clear liabilities, and revitalize the sector. Shares of Angel One soared over 6% after the brokerage released its January business update. The company, in its business update, announced that its client base has increased 48% year on year to 3.01 crores in January 2025. Paint industry giant Asian Paints reported disappointing Q3 FY25 results, largely falling short of market expectations as weak demand in urban centers continued to impact the paint giant's performance. On the bourses, Asian Paints share tanked over 3%. Shares of consumer durable manufacturer Symphony slumped 9% after the company reported its December quarterly results. Symphony reported a net loss of rupees 10 crores during the quarter compared to a net profit of rupees 41 crore during the same quarter last year. Titan shares fell 3% following the company's Q3 results as its net profit and margins saw an impact from the decrease in customs duty on gold. Shares of food delivery aggregator Swiggy fell 4% ahead of its quarterly results announcement. In the US overnight, all three major stock indexes notched modest gains on Wednesday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 317 points to 44,873. The S&P 500 gained 0.39% to 6,061, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 38 points or 0.19% to 19,692. Brent crude is $74.72 a barrel. Gold is again at an all-time high of rupees 84,650 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 96,250 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. The markets opened strong but faced resistance around 23,800 levels and reversed. Nifty 50 faced resistance at 23,780, where both the falling wedge pattern and the 50-day EMA came into play. This level now acts as an immediate support, while on the downside, 23,520 will continue to act as a support. The outlook suggests that it's a buy on dips market with a good chance of breaking the resistance and moving up to 24,000. Stocks to watch today: Saraswati Sari Depot, Info Edge, Ultratech Cement, Vishnu Prakash Punglia, Ola Electrics, Oswal Green Tech, Oswal Agro Mills Limited, MediAssist, MCure Pharmaceuticals, Trent, SBI, ITC, Shoba, PEC, Hero Motocorp, Britannia Industries, and other stocks will be watched on Thursday, February 7th. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.